G'day viewers, well I'm going to try a little experiment here. Got a shorting strap on here permanently, safety first. Since this, I got nothing to lose, I want to give this a bit of a kick up the arse, so to speak. Boot some life back into it, although it's only a 10% success rate of this happening. I've got the pinouts on here. It's quite a unique picture tube because it uses a connector I've never quite seen before with the shape in the middle there. It's different. I haven't got any connectors quite like that. I've only got the common bloody one has the common one which has the isolator and the focus pin, so to speak. I can't show you, but yeah, 99.9% of CRTs are the same. They use that type of connector. 99.9% of the time it's that type of connector with that type of shrouding on it. But this CRT doesn't use that common connector. I've never seen one what this CRT uses before, so the ground just came off. This is something unique, so I have to make some clip leads or something to go on those pins. I haven't got one like this. This is the only one I've seen that's like that. So you have to find where the heaters are and what you do. Since it's a 6-volt heater filament, I'm going to put 7.2 volts on it, overvolt the heater a bit. And it says to the cathode and the grid, you connect two 40-volt light bulbs in series of the mains between those while you overvolt the heater. Give it a quick hit, tap of power for a brief split second, and the light bulb will light up for a bit, and there'll be a spark inside here, and that will blast off any old oxides off the cathode and expose some new material. But if the light bulb stays on, you've created a short and buggered the tube up. I've got nothing to lose, so let's give it a try. I need to do that for the red, green and blue guns. Grid cathode, grid 2 and grid 1. Blue cathode, red cathode and green cathode. So yeah, I'm going to make some clip leads on there, identify the pins exactly, and we'll give it a good treatment. And I've got nothing to lose anyway. If it buggers up, it buggers up. I get a good board, parts and flyback out of it. Okay, now I've got the light bulb plugged back in. Okay, heater's on. Now I said I've got nothing to lose with the CRT shorts, so let's give it a try. Make sure it's working. Yep, works. Got a spark, there was a spark in there, light flashed, it didn't stay on. Disconnect the heater. You didn't see it on camera, but in here I saw a little blue flash, so that worked. The light bulb flashed and turned off, but if it stays on, you created a short and effed it up. But that one's fixed so far. I'll go back to where I started, because I just realised I forgot to plug the light bulb in. I did that first test, so let's go back to that one and do that one now again. Heater's on. Alright, plug the transformer in, get me a little screwdriver. 751. Hang on, got the wrong one there. Do it, find the right pin for that one. Okay viewers, after that flash I got, you gotta give it a tap. Like that. What that'll do, that will release any fine bits of metal and material on the surface of the cathode itself. Knocks any oxide layer off. Now I think I did it right. I got a flash on the other one, so it's a bit hard to determine the pin out doing it like this, but I think I might have. Let's just plug it in and see if we got any results, shall we? I mean, if it's buggered, it's buggered. As I said, I got nothing to lose. It was worth a try, so let's give it a test. Tell me the truth. Now I did prior to this experiment, just did the other method by turning up the gains on the netboard. Got a bit better result, but not quite good, so I might have to turn them back down now if this is a successful test. Everything's plugged in. Yeah, not seeing much, am I? Oh well, was worth a try. Was worth a try. Have a quick play around with things. Might have weakened it more, see? Might have blew all the cathode material away. Gee, she's not healthy, is she? I buggered it up. It was worth a try though. Yeah, see? Oh well, I made her CRT a lot weaker than what it is. Yeah, that's buggered. Now it's real bad. Oh well, that was worth a try anyway. Well worth a try. So one of the colours is all weak. Oh well. Can't have everything. It was worth a try messing around. Everything's all plugged in as it should be. Turn up the screen voltage right up. That's all you get. Overloaded green. Yeah. That's it. That's the best you'll get. There you are. This thing's well and truly hit the 60,000 hour mark and past it. Well over 60,000 hours on this thing. Oh well. I won't strip the circuit board down yet because I might still get more of these monitors. And if I do come across one that has a similar or the same CRT, and it happens to be any good nick, I'll keep this board and use it for that CRT. Yeah, that's one worn out CRT. That's a very worn out, look at that. Yeah, I've got everything turned up, see? Take the camera off and give you a good detailed look. Yeah, that's one worn out CRT, that's EOL to buggery. There's no cathode in there, you might as well have bits of plastic that can conduct with, there's just nothing there. Oops. And there's stuff falling down. See, I turned all those up flat out before and I got a pretty good result. But it wasn't good. Still wasn't quite good enough. See, one gun came up okay. The green's pretty much good, but the rest, nah. So you won't get them all the same. The success rate's just far insignificant, so it was worth the messing around though. There's the Pender's car just in behind, the Toyota 86. Brightness. We can find out what's going on with CXC Global Racing. We've got a man on the scene down in pit lane at their team. Let's just overdrive it. Just for the hell of it, let's overdrive it to buggery. Flat out. Look at that, the green's really good. Yeah, see, everything's flat neck. We've got a good green. Let's turn it all the way down again, and it balances out and washes out, so yep. It's weak. Weak to buggery. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. I'll find some other trick I could do with this CRT. Thanks for watching.